Hello everyone and welcome to a deep dive into the world of credit. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 credit mistakes that people often make, and we'll provide you with valuable insights on how to avoid them. Credit can be a powerful tool for financial growth, but it's essential to navigate it wisely. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our future videos. Let's jump right into it. Credit mistake number 10. Signing up for credit card with no plan. Starting with our list of 10 common credit mistakes, let's kick things off with mistake number 10, signing up for a credit card without a clear plan. Many credit cards offer enticing promotions, but it's crucial to assess whether a particular card suits your lifestyle and financial goals. The key here is to ensure that your credit card choice aligns with your unique needs and spending habits. Credit mistake number 9, closing old credit accounts. At number 9, we have closing old credit accounts. It may seem counterintuitive, but closing your oldest credit accounts can hurt your credit score. These accounts demonstrate your credit history and contribute positively to your score. To avoid this mistake, consider keeping your oldest credit accounts open, even if you don't use them regularly. They can help maintain a longer credit history, which is favorable for your credit score. Credit mistake number 8, ignoring credit utilization. Mistake number 8 is ignoring credit utilization. This is the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits. Maxing out your cards or consistently carrying high balances can negatively impact your credit score. To avoid this mistake, aim to keep your credit utilization below 10%. Pay your credit card balances in full each month whenever possible to maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio. Credit mistake number 7, applying for too much new credit. Now, let's discuss mistake number 7, applying for too much new credit. Opening multiple credit accounts in a short period can raise red flags for lenders and impact your credit score. To avoid this mistake, be selective when applying for new credit. Only apply for credit you genuinely need and research the best options based on your financial goals. Credit mistake number 6, neglecting payments. Coming in at number 6 is neglecting payments. Missing payments or making late payments can have a severe impact on your credit score. Payment history is a significant factor in your credit score calculation. To avoid this mistake, set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Consistently paying your bills on time is one of the most effective ways to maintain a strong credit score. Credit mistake number 5, co-signing without caution. Mistake number 5 involves co-signing without caution. Co-signing a loan or credit card for someone else can be risky, as it makes you equally responsible for the debt. If the primary borrower defaults, your credit can be negatively affected. To avoid this mistake, carefully consider the risks before co-signing. Ensure you trust the individual and have a clear agreement in place. Credit mistake number 4, not diversifying your credit mix. At number 4, we have not diversifying your credit mix. Lenders like to see a mix of credit types, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, in your credit history. Having only one type of credit can limit your credit score potential. To avoid this mistake, consider diversifying your credit portfolio over time. Be cautious when taking on new types of credit, but having a healthy mix can positively impact your credit score. Credit mistake number 3, closing credit cards after paying off debt. Mistake number 3 involves closing credit cards after paying off debt. While it may be tempting to close credit cards once you've paid off balances, doing so can shorten your credit history and potentially lower your credit score. To avoid this mistake, consider keeping those credit cards open, even if you use them sparingly. They can contribute positively to your credit history and utilization rate. Credit mistake number 2, not taking time to learn about credit. Number 2 on our list is failing to invest time in understanding credit. While credit scores might seem simple at first, there are intricacies you should grasp. Take some time to familiarize yourself with credit terms, billing cycles, and interest calculations. You don't need to become an expert, but gaining a foundational understanding of credit can significantly benefit your financial journey. Credit mistake number 1: neglecting credit reports. Your credit report is like your financial resume, and failing to monitor it regularly is a common oversight. It's crucial to review your report for errors, inaccuracies, or unauthorized accounts that could damage your credit score. To avoid this mistake, make it a habit to check your credit reports from all 3 major bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You're entitled to 1 free report from each bureau every 12 months. In conclusion, credit management is a crucial aspect of your financial well-being. By avoiding these common credit mistakes and making informed decisions, you can build and maintain a healthy credit profile. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And remember, a well-informed credit strategy can pave the way to financial success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.